Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is always a huge pleasure to have you here. The angle grinder is a fantastic DIY tool. It can cut, grind, but you can use it to do many other things. In this video, I will show you the use of these two discs, the resin and fiber and the steel wire brush. Both of these discs can be used for rust removal and paint stripping. We will clean one face of this old rusty hammer with one disc and another face with the other disc. But it is important to know that there are some differences. For example, the steel wire brush does not use the fixing bushes, while the resin and fiber one does. I always recommend to use glasses and mask for personal protection. I noticed that the steel wire brush vibrates more than the resin and fiber one, and only removes the surface of the rust. The resin and fiber disc is too big to be used with the guard on when it is new, and is definitely more aggressive. It removes more material, but being rigid, it does not penetrate the superficial roughness as the steel wire brush does. But after some work, you can use it also with the guard on. In the end, the steel wire brush preserves more the patina of old objects that have to be restored, but produces more fine dust than the fiber one. The two kinds of discs have also different costs. The resin and fiber disc costs around $8, while the steel wire brush disc costs around $6 online. For your safety, it is important to carefully check the revolutions at which a disc can turn and verify they are equal or higher than the one reported on the grinder, which is usually 11,000 RPM. These two discs can be used together. First the fiber one to remove the oxide, and then the steel wire brush to get a better finish of the surface. Let me stress again the importance for your safety of checking the number of revolutions of the disc and compare it with the revolutions of the grinder shaft before using it. And remember always to use eyes protection and a mask for the dust.